Baxter, darling. Baxter, darling.
Yeah. Yeah.
There is someone to see you. There is someone to see you. You haven't introduced yourself. You haven't introduced yourself.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Mr. Creed wants to talk to you about college. Mr. Creed wants to talk to you about college.
Okay. Okay.
Great. Thanks very much. Great. Thanks very much. Stir, Baxter, my man. Stir, Baxter, my man. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Pretty good things. Pretty good things.
Oh, that's good to hear. Oh, that's good to hear. Baxter. Baxter. I'm not from really any college. I'm not from really any college.
So who are you? So who are you?
You see the envelope? You see the envelope?
Yeah. Yeah.
I want you to open it after I leave, okay? I want you to open it after I leave, okay?